guys, so I wanted to come back with another video. This week it's fashion. So you guys know I am into everything beauty, skincare, home decor, and definitely makeup and fashion. So if that's something that interests you, I know it's kind of like a whole rounded out of things, but it's some of my favorite things to do and show. And so if that interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified with the bell as well when I upload new videos. So with this week, I wanted to kind of show you guys some of my recent purchases. So it's not a huge haul or anything like that, but I love stopping in Zara and I was able to just kind of pick up, just a small amount of pieces, but I love, as you can tell, accessories. So whether it's, things for the hair, bracelets, earrings, shoes, you name it. I do have a really big handbag collection. Not huge, but I love adding to it. And I like things that are high priced and also a little bit lower and just more reasonable. And so with that, I was able to find this beauty. I absolutely love this. So I picked this up at Zara. We only have one in our area in Portland. So I'm kind of hoping that they have, or they start opening a little bit more stores, at least closer to us, but I love downtown anyway, so I don't mind going. But I just love this bag. This is so cute. It comes with, as you can see, I haven't taken any of the straps off, but this is a really great price. I think it was even on special, but I picked this up for $25.99. And the great thing about Portland is there's no sales tax, and so what the price is, it is. But I just love the combination of, I know this is like faux leather and the canvas, and I don't have anything in a canvas this color in my collection, so I definitely wanted to add that. And I don't have any bucket bags either, so I like the the drawstring, just design, but also the longer shoulder strap. And I will definitely do mod shots with these as well. But yeah, it's really nice. It's super roomy. So let me just go ahead and pull this out. So I just love that I will be able to shove pretty much everything. And I like saving these. If you ever get these in your handbags, save them because they're great just to kind of help hold the structure of the bag when you have it in storage. So there's like 4 huge ones in there, so that's awesome, but it's so roomy. So I will definitely do closer shots so that you can kind of see all the details, but I just love the shape of it. It doesn't have any feet, but that's okay. For $25 and looking like this, I will take it. So this is super cute. I'm really happy with this, and I can't wait to start wearing this. Especially, I think this is going to be a cute fall bag. Just kind of, I plan on getting, one of those like robe, tied, wool coats for winter in like more of this color or maybe a camel, and I think this is going to look really nice with that. Okay, so the next item that I picked up from Zara is loafers. I love an open back loafer. It's, the tags are falling out. But it's really comfortable. I love how chic it looks. It kind of just gives me that whole, Gucci look to it. It's got the embossed like snakeskin design on it. But I love the hints of gold, and I can't wait to wear this with, just a black turtleneck and high-waisted jeans. I think this is gonna look so chic. And just even getting, a basic turtleneck, I think I'm gonna do a video on that, but I like doing my own embellishments on them as well. Just to kind of add that pop of style and just a little bit of color to something that's basic and making it look like it's more high-end as well. So if that's a video that interests you on just kind of doing your own DIY upgrades to different outfits, shirts, jackets, things like that, go ahead and leave your comment down below so that I can do a video on that and show you how I like embellishing my own items. And I'm all about DIY, so that's like one of my favorite things to do. But these look so nice. I love just, it's really smooth bottom. I picked these up in a 38. I wear it a size 8. I go between 7.5 and 8, so these were really great. And again, these were $25.99, so you can tell from the sticker that this was probably marked down, but hey, if it's marked down, it's for me. So I love, savings and everything. And so, yeah, I mean, of course, yeah, the tassels tend to stick up a little bit when you move them around, but I think that they're going to kind of just like lay flat. But I love these, and just kind of wearing them or pairing them with this bag, I think is going to be absolutely gorgeous. And then the other thing that I picked up from Zara, as you can see, I opened one already, and I'm pretty sure my daughter probably stole it by now, is the roller scents. And I absolutely love the smell of these. They're just like the roller ball perfumes, and so they'd be great for travel. If that ever comes back up again, just trying to be patient. But I was able to pick these up, and they were $5.90 each. So their scents smell so nice. They smell very high end, and for that price point, I'm all about it, because I like keeping, perfume and just rollerball scents on me at all times. So whatever situation, if I forget to put them on in the house before I leave to run errands, things like that, I can just kind of pull those out quickly and just kind of put them all while I'm in the car. Hey, so now after that, I wanted to kind of switch gears and kind of show you what I have in my August. No, I'm sorry, it's not August. I think this was the end of July. I don't even know what month we're in anymore. I don't know. This was the end of July Allure Beauty Box, and sorry, I'm only getting to this now to kind of show you guys everything that came inside. And I just got an email that my end of August Allure Beauty Box has shipped. Shipped to me, so I'm excited to kind of see what's in there too. I know they always send out, kind of like emails to kind of tease you and let you know what's in there. I love surprises, so I never check the emails. I don't want to know. I want to be able to open the box and just kind of be surprised and just kind of see what's in there. And yeah, that's always refreshing to me. So it's almost like a little gift every month. So with this subscription, so I want to kind of see and kind of show you guys as well what came inside. So of course it always comes with the booklet to kind of just, go over all of the products so that you can kind of see like what's inside and just the product information, how much it costs, and where you can find it. So that's always very helpful. So just kind of diving into this. Ooh. So they always try to put in a full-size product inside every month. And so for this month, this is from Pixie Skin Treats, and this is really cute. This is the Rose Oil Blend. So it's rose and pomegranate oils, and it's a nourishing face oil. So I know sometimes when you see things and it's an actual, face oil, that could be a little, scary, especially for somebody like me that's got combination skin. I get really oily in my T-zone, and it's just all, around here and on top of my lip and just the chin. So not everywhere, because everywhere else, the perimeter tends to be really dry, but just right in this area it gets oily. So I'm always wary about using oil on my skin, but I have found luck with some. And if you want some of those that I've used before, go ahead and leave your comment down below so I can let you know which ones those are. But this one, it comes in this full-size bottle, and then it comes with its little, dropper. So that's like really cute. Just kind of open that up, and ooh, that smells. It's got that really nice rose. Ooh, it's got that really nice rose smell, but then it's a little bit more sweeter, I guess, because of the pomegranate. But it's just super cute. I love how it looks, and it's just gonna stay, well, no. I was gonna say I would keep it, on top of my vanity, but the minute my daughter sees it, she's gonna steal it. I know it. But I'll let her borrow it. She gets excited for all of these things as well. Okay, so the next product, this is the H2O, and it's the Hydration Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer. So this is really nice, and let's just go ahead and open that up. So this is how it looks, and it just looks like a really nice gel cream. And sometimes they like tighten this so much, and they make it so hard for you to get inside. So, but yeah, a lot of these, my daughter's 14, so she likes to kind of dabble in, what I have in my bathroom without having to spend any of her own money. Yeah, so we'll see how that works out. I'm pretty sure like by tomorrow, half of this stuff will come up missing and it'll be in her bathroom. But this is kind of how it looks. It's just got like a pink tint to it, but it's just like a nice gel water. It looks like one of those kind of like water-based moisturizers. So that looks really nice. I'm excited for that. And then this, it's so cute. This company always puts their things in like this little bubble wrap. So this is by Floss. So let's just go ahead and open this up. And this is the Brighten Up Highlighter and Illuminator. So I am just going to jump right into this and kind of see just how bright and illuminating it really is. Okay, so this is the packaging, so cute, and this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just test that a little bit on the side here and just kind of see just how bright it is. So this is a nice one that definitely you can kind of build up on that. Yeah, that's like really cute. It's really nice. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, so that's gonna be a nice one to kind of just play around with and kind of see, you know, just how much I like that. So the next one is, I'm not gonna try to say the name and butcher it and like make somebody angry. But this is, it's called First Care and it's activating serum. So this will probably be like a really nice, oh, it's so cute. It's like a tiny little serum bottle. It's super cute. And it's got the little pump at the top there. So that's really cute. So that'll be a nice one to try. I love, you know, just Asian beauty products. We try to go as much as we can. One of my favorite places is Tokyo. We were set to go this summer, but of course with quarantine, but with COVID, all of our plans changed. But any chance that we get and that we can go over there, I just like just picking up different beauty products to use. So as soon as we can get there again, I will definitely do a haul video because that's always a haul. I think I bring like an extra bag just to haul things back. I can find certain products here in the States, like in different, Asian grocery stores, things like that, or maybe online. But I think because it's coming from the source, when we do go over to Tokyo, the prices are definitely way cheaper, or just less inexpensive. It's not as expensive as here, and of course it's because of duties and taxes and just getting it here in the first place. So yes, hopefully I can do a video on that, and I will do a vlog on that travel and everything. And the next thing in here is the famous black soap. So this is going to be a really nice one to try. And so let's see. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. So yeah, just to kind of see what this looks like. It's not really wanting to come out of this package. Oh, there it is. So yeah, that's the black soap. So this is going to be a really nice one. I know with things like this is really great. It's a sea mud deep cleansing bar. So yeah, this looks really, really nice. Especially on my T-zone where it gets super oily and gunky. I think that this is going to be really great for that. So I'm very excited to try this. And then the next thing is the Wish. And that's what it looks like. But this is the Botanical Primer and Skin Balancing. It reduces environmental stress. Listen, I'm living in environmental stress right now with the Oregon fires going on and the smoke that's in the air and the stress that comes from that. I don't know why I didn't open this sooner. So yeah, this looks really nice. So this looks like it's basically a makeup primer. And let's see if I can just go ahead and get this open. Sometimes they put so much of like a little packaging around like the top and it's so hard to pull up. Okay, so this looks like, it's kind of coming out like that. I don't know, is it oily or something? Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna have to be wary of this one, only because of my skin. I don't know if I want it feel to it, and then still at the same time trying to like, you know, bake and all those other things so they don't get super greasy. So that's gonna have to be a try and just kind of see what happens, but I will definitely keep you guys posted. And then last but not least, I love that they always add in a face sheet mask, and this one is super cute. It looks like something my daughter, she's a super artist, and it looks like something that she would definitely paint and have on her walls. So I love the packaging. Yeah, so it says, yeah, I don't even know what it says. It's cute though. It's basically look at me. So it's a brightening lift up mask for the perfect fit. So it's, yeah, I'm gonna have to try that. So this looks really cool. I love the packaging. It's got its own thing going on here, but this just so reminds me of something my daughter would paint. That looks really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to try some of these products. Sorry that this Allure Box unboxing came so late for you guys. I think in another week I'll be unboxing my next one for September, or I guess no, for the end of August. I can't ever keep track of them, only because they come so late in the month on a basis, you know, regular basis. So it's usually they try to have them shipped out and sent to you by like the 24th of every month, and so you're just kind of getting the whole the whole box at the end of the month. So you can either use it for your, you know, next month September, or you can use it at the end of the month for the current month, just kind of depending on how you want to look at it. But I'm always excited to get them, and if there's another beauty subscription box that you guys really love, let me know. I am all about, you know, just trying different products. I know that there's BoxyCharm and there's Etsy or something else, but yeah, I've always been interested in that BoxyCharm. So if you guys have that subscription and really like it, let me know in the comments down below, because I've been trying to decide if I pull the trigger and get that too or not. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. Don't forget to like and leave comments down below on just the products that you love or that you want to try. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video.